Hello, Dr. Yazan. It seems my internet is too poor to connect with you, so I show you our office by this way. You can see this is our office. Our logo. Now you can see here the lights. We're testing machines now. This is the packing area. These are the machines will be ready to ship tomorrow. And here are our stock machines. Can see here. Ready in stock. So as long as there's order, we can put on shelf and arrange shipping very fast. This is assembling area. Just wanted to show you we are very reliable. You can see our workers here doing the assemblings. And please see here our testing room. My colleague is testing our machines to ensure every machine is 100% perfect. You can see here our multifunctional machine with 4 handles here. With 2 handles. This one with 1 handle. These are all dialed. This is dialed handle type A. This is NDIAC. Here, this is dialed handle type B. I only want you to know we are a reliable company, so you don't have to worry about the safety to working with us. We